Welcome back to AM Cooking, your morning cooking show. Today we will be making some Bourbons. You know, when you ate those creamy filled sugary cookies? Well, we will be making it homemade and it's very simple. Ingredients: half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Make sure to preheat the oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius. Start making these cookies by adding butter, the sugar, and the honey. Whisk until creamy. And a tip, you can add brown sugar if you want to, rather than granulated sugar. Next, add the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda. It's time to make the dough. Add some milk. Use your spatula and prepare to make the dough. To get our hands dirty, next scene. Let's knead the dough. The dough is kneaded. Back to scene 1. Finally, we reach the point where we can start rolling it. Add a dash of flour to the cutting board. Start rolling. Once you've rolled out your dough, cut it out with a rectangle-shaped cutter. This is how it should be. Now gather up all your excess dough and roll it out. Corn cookies. We will make these holes. Top it off. Sprinkle some sugar over them. Get your oven mitts on and put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Look, our biscuits are baked. Now it's time to let them cool. Hey look, it's cool. Now we can start making the filling. The filling is very simple. All you need is these 3 ingredients: half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of Hershey's cocoa, and 1/4 cup butter. Now whisk these all up. Should be the texture you will get. Coat half of the biscuits with the filling. Once you've coated half of these biscuits with the filling, then you should sandwich it with the other half. Finish it off, keep it in the fridge to harden for a few minutes. Wow, these Bourbons look amazing. They look just like from the store. They should taste amazing too, I hope. Well, on that note, let's take a bite. Oh my god. Tastes exactly like the one from the store. tuning in with Damn Cooking. Hope to see you next time.